Hello, and I'm very pleased to welcome you all today to today's session through Legal Futures. My name's Safta Mahmood, and I'm pleased to welcome you to today's session. This is the injunctions in personal protection cases, both civil and criminal enforcement. So thank you very much for joining me. So I'm a solicitor, lecturer, and also an author, and I specialise predominantly in family law matters. So for today's agenda then, this is what I hope to cover with you over the course of the hour. So I'm going to be talking a little bit first and foremost about the different types of orders are available, non-molestation, occupation orders through the Family Law Act of '96 in particular. I'll talk to you a little bit about the criteria, and because I'm looking specifically at enforcement of these orders, then I'm going to be concentrating quite a lot on the ancillary orders and their enforcement elements as well. So Section 40 Family Law Act enforcement in terms of the position with both Section 42A, which we'll look at in terms of the criminal route, and also the use of Section 47 in terms of powers of arrest. And with that in mind, we'll be looking at both civil and criminal elements. I'll take you through without notice orders, and also I wanted to look at personal protection orders, not just limited to Family Law Act of '96, but also public children law matters. So we'll be looking at the various orders associated with interim care orders, emergency protection orders, and also the use of the inherent jurisdiction, particularly the CSC types of cases that we sometimes deal with in ASTRA orders in that regard. So I'll be taking you through the use of the inherent jurisdiction orders relating to child sexual exploitation, and there's some very useful practice guidance in running these types of cases, which I'll take you through. Undertakings, we need to look at enforcement of those also, and as I mentioned, the use of Section 47 of the Family Law Act in that regard. Once and if there are then enforcement proceedings that are taken, whether it's criminal or civil, we need to think about the powers of the court. So I'm going to be taking you through powers of the court on committal, civil remedies, and what has recently been changed as a result of committal proceedings in the family and civil courts, particularly in family cases insofar as the use of Part 37 of the Family Procedure Rules.